Hey, it's Lindsay. Up next, we're gonna be doing a quick 5-minute full body workout. It's gonna be a lot of fun and you don't need any equipment. If you haven't yet, make sure to subscribe to my channel by clicking the little logo in the corner of this video. It's completely free and helps to allow me to make more workouts just like this one. All right, are you ready to get started? Because we're gonna get fit right now. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. First exercise, right leg squat to curtsy lunge. So we're gonna be facing forward and we're going squat to right leg curtsy lunge. And let's continue, squat to curtsy lunge. Good. So we're doing 30 seconds of each exercise and we have 5 different exercises to work our bodies. 10 seconds. 6, 5, last one, 3, 2, and 1. Next side, back to the side and squat. To the side and squat. Good, keep it up. Next exercise is gonna be Superman, arms down to overhead. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So we're on the ground in a Superman position, starting down, keeping our arms close, rotating to overhead, and back down. Keep that chest up. And lift up, and squeeze those shoulder blades back. Good, 3, 2, 1. Next is gonna be alternating V-ups. So we're on the ground, reaching up to our legs, alternating sides. Good, use that core. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next is alternating tabletop leg tuck in. Bring that knee in and back. Good, keep those hips up. Use those triceps and shoulders. And bring that knee in. 3, 2, 1, and we are back up to the top. Starting with the squat to curtsy lunge. Last round. Good job, 15 seconds. 10 seconds. Keep squatting. 4, 3, 2, 1. Other side. And back, curtsy, and up. And squat, and up. Very good. 20 seconds. And squat. Working that left leg. Trying to keep that chest upright and feet flat. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Superman, arms down to overhead. Starting with arms down, keeping them close, rotating, and up. Reach up, and back. And squeeze, keep that chest up. 4, 3, 2, 1. Into alternating V-ups. Here we go. And up. And keep those legs straight. And use that core to lift up. And reach to that foot. And and up, less than 10 seconds. 2, 1. Last exercise, tabletop knee tuck-ins. So bring that knee in and keep those hips up. And bring that knee in and other knee in. Good, keep it up, 15 seconds and we are almost done. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. And we are all done for today. Very good job, and I will see you tomorrow. Thanks so much for working out with me. Let me know in the comments how that workout went for you, and also make sure to leave me a like if you like this video. I release a new workout just like this one every day, so make sure to subscribe to my channel so you can see all the new workouts. Also, if you're interested, check out my other channels for more fun workouts. I'll see you tomorrow.